In this short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to connect Gumroad to your Review Trust account. First, log into your Review Trust account. In the sidebar menu, click on the Account Settings. Scroll down below into the Shopping Cart section and click the Add New Account button. Enter a name for the account. On the vendor drop-down, choose Gumroad. Click Save. And a PI URL will be generated for your shopping cart account. Copy the URL and log into your Gumroad account. On the sidebar, click on Settings. Click on Advanced. Scroll down to the Ping Endpoint section. Paste the copied URL from Review Trust to the Ping Endpoint field. Click Update Settings. Go back to your Review Trust page and create a product campaign. On the shopping cart drop-down field, select Gumroad. Then beside it, choose the account you created earlier. And continue creating the product, and you are done.